If you watch movies, TV shows, or videos here on YouTube in French, you might have heard the expressions tant pis and tant mieux. So, let's talk about it. If you have watched my videos before, welcome back. If you have never watched one of my videos before, I'm Dylan and I teach French every Wednesday with a new French lesson about vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, conjugation, or expressions like this one. So don't forget to subscribe before we start this video. Okay, so let's talk about tant mieux and tant pis. Both are expressions used in spoken French, not much in writing, unless it's in a story with a conversation, but it's not going to be, you should not use that in an essay or something like that. It's mostly conversations. In this video, we are going to look at these two expressions in context with the help of Lingopie, who is kindly sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Lingopie is an app with an impressive catalog of movies, TV shows, and documentaries in French. Everything is interactive. If you know me, you know that my favorites are the interactive subtitles and the flashcards to review. We are going to see everything about it after, but let's start with the expression tant mieux. Tant mieux has many expressions. It can mean all the better, so much the better, that's good, or good. It really depends on the context. We use tant mieux to express satisfaction or when there is a positive outcome. It can be used by itself or it can be followed by pour and a stress pronoun. So we can have tant mieux or we can have tant mieux pour moi, tant mieux pour toi, tant mieux pour lui, tant mieux pour elle, tant mieux pour nous, tant mieux pour vous, tant mieux pour eux, tant mieux pour elle. So in this case, the translation is, as you can see, good for you, good for me, good for him, good for her, etc. Let's see an example before watching a video with tant mieux in context. We have est-ce que tu as payé ta facture? Est-ce que tu as payé ta facture? Oui, je l'ai payé ce matin. Oui, je l'ai payé ce matin. Tant mieux, car tu étais en retard. Tant mieux, car tu étais en retard. Okay? Now let's use Lingopie to watch the expression in context. You can use their dictionary to find the exact expression or word in context. It's very, very clever. So here are the results. If you look for the expression tant mieux, you are going to have plenty of results. And then you can just click to watch the full episode because it's better so you have all the features. It's not only just the episode, you have all the features with it. So let's have a look at the one I chose for you for the expression.
Ta mère va rester une semaine à l'hôpital, mais ça va aller. Elle est pas en danger.
Okay, so you can see that the conversation here is ta mère va rester une semaine à l'hôpital, mais ça va aller. Elle n'est pas en danger. And she replies, tant mieux pour elle. Tant mieux pour elle. She could have just answered tant mieux as a general statement, but here tant mieux pour elle is more personal because it's about a person, a specific person, okay? So tant mieux, that's good. Tant mieux pour elle, good for her, okay? And then you can click on the script to know which type of word it is, and every time you click on the word, it goes into your flashcard that you can review at the end of the video of the show that you watch. So it's very, very useful to just review. Keep watching and keep reviewing. Now the opposite of tant mieux is tant pis. Tant pis means too bad, never mind, I don't care. Just like tant mieux, it has many, many translations, so it really depends on the context as well. We use tant pis to express disappointment or where there is a negative outcome. It can be used by itself or it can be followed by pour and a stress pronoun, just like tant mieux. So we have tant pis pour moi, tant pis pour toi, tant pis pour lui, tant pis pour elle, tant pis pour nous, tant pis pour vous, tant pis pour eux, tant pis pour elle. Okay? Let's see the same example that we saw before, but this time with tant pis. Est-ce que tu as payé ta facture? Non, j'ai oublié de la payer. Non, j'ai oublié de la payer. Tant pis, tu vas avoir des intérêts. Tant pis, tu vas avoir des intérêts. Too bad. Too bad. Let's look at another example in context that I found in Lingopai's dictionary once again.
Comment je prévienne Charles? Il va être déçu de me voir quitter la villa comme ça. Tant pis.
Okay, so here the conversation is il faut au moins que je prévienne Charles. Il va être déçu de me voir quitter la ville comme ça. Tant pis. Tant pis. Too bad, I don't care. So, tant pis. Tant pis. Okay? And then, just like the conversation we saw before, you can also click on words and review right after. It's very easy to use Lingopai, and it's very useful to learn everything in context. I cannot stress that enough. Does that make sense? And did you find it useful to use Lingopai for the expression? Just let me know in the comments. The best part is that Lingopai also works with Netflix and your favorite show, so quite useful. If you want to try Lingopai, you can try Lingopai for free for 7 days and get 70% off the lifetime subscription with my link. They add new content all the time, so you will never get bored. I hope you enjoyed this video with expression in context. Please let me know if you would like videos like this one more. If you want to keep learning, check out the video I posted last week about mon ami or ma amie. And I will see you next Wednesday for a new French lesson. À mercredi prochain.